And as you can see up the front, things have escalated. The motor is now out of the car. While we are here, well, we just want to check over everything and give everything a very thorough cleaning, because it is just grimy as hell. Probably 10 plus kilos will have come out of the car just in grime alone, which is a shame that it doesn't add up to the original weight of the car. But anyway, as you can see, the pan's now off, the top's off, the front's off, and not looking too bad. It's a very high kilometer engine, but very good. You can still see cross-hatching in the board. It's very lovely, no lip, and yeah, so a whole bunch of servicing now.
Yep.
Right, as you can see, we've taken the box out on this lovely, nearly 40-degree day here in Queensland. The box is on the ground, and while quite grimy, it seems to still be in fairly good condition. We will be doing the converter seal, the tail housing seal, and the selector shaft seal, which are all service items, so hooray, doesn't go to the budget. Anyway, as you can see by this very cut-up flex plate, this is an old free AU intake, and what we have done is we've taken our original flex plate and inserted the center into it. Now this is still yet to be welded up, and it will be welded with extra sort of plug holes on both sides to try and stop any warping. They haven't been marked out on that side yet, but regardless, we wanted to strengthen the flex plate, and now while we do think this is already stronger than the Barra one, it feels much heavier and a thicker material. We thought we'd do this anyway while we're here. And it is free to the budget, so that's pretty nifty. Right, well, the motor's basically put back together. We used a practically brand new AU chain that we've had for many years out of an engine that had only done 20,000 Ks. And we've used one Mace timing kit guide, and the other one was from the same AU chain kit. As you can see, the valve springs are all in, everything's done, new rocker cover seals on, MLS gaskets on. Yes, we are going to clean up the slight copper overspray. And we have included ARP head studs. So hopefully, all things being equal, this little, future-proofed, but this little engine should do us well.
All the Welch plugs are done. Some of them were okay, and some of them, yeah, they needed replacing. One of the things we have to do is we have to drill and tap the oil pressure sender fitting from the EA Falcon, and we have to drill and tap it for the oil feed for the turbo. And also its main supply hole is less than 1 mil, so we've got to open that up a bit so it actually gets a bit of flow. And that's what the oil supply looks like when it's finished.
Right, well, here we are. The old motor is coming back together, and as you can see, the manifold is on, and so is the J-pipe, and our turbo is on for the initial oil line feed and return mock-up, whereas the rest of the motor is going into its final assembly stage, and so the mad slog begins. The oil pan is still currently off, as we are going to probably fit the bulk fit into that. Yeah, no, it's looking pretty good actually.